Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I'm just going to show you guys what I have here. This one right here is going to be Tello's accessories. It's finally coming out for this guy here because this guy is so much fun. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you. So this is called the prop cage. I got this at Amazon for they call this, I think I got this for $15 or maybe 14. I know it's probably gonna go on sale. I think it's just right now, it's just so new, you know. And this is for Tello prop cage. So if you want to go ahead and fly this indoor, you can have it. So it comes with this little bubbly I feel like a bubbly wrap or something. But anyway, this is inside the box. This is what we get here. It's called a PGYTECH, okay. Protective guards for Tello. Very interesting. But anyway, here, this is what we get. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Yeah, so you get this prop cage. It feels soft. I don't know if it's gonna affect the impact on this guy here, but I'm gonna put it to the tests, see what this guy can do. All right, so to put this on your Tello, I think there's a way to do it. So you want to go ahead, all you have to do is basically stick it like this, put the whole guy in there, or you can, let me see if you can open it up. Oh, that's it. So you gotta have it this way to put him inside. And then what you want to do is you have those clips here, if you can see it. So you just want to go ahead and get that on there. I mean, this thing is made for Tello, so it's not one of those I don't know. There's some other props out there just so cheap. But anyway, I mean, the way I feel this one right here is just soft too, man. So anyway, I got it on there. It's really no room to get in there, especially if you got big hands. All right, so I got it on. And this piece right here, so you want this opening piece to be in front of the camera. So when you're, you know, when you're flying your Tello, this piece right here should not even, this piece right here shouldn't even get into his way. But anyway, that's it right here. And you can see they have all these little screws in here. Maybe there's attachment you can do on this one, I'm not sure. But it feels kind of clumsy though. I mean, if you're gonna hit a wall, it's gonna. But anyway, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put this guy to the tests. But this is the cage, and the cool thing about this, because if he does fall like that, like gravity fall or something, and I mean, it's once enough, it should at least go this way. But I'm gonna go ahead and put in his paste and go from here. Again, see again. I mean, if you have the battery, it's probably just gonna. Hold on, I'm gonna put the battery on just to see. This prop guard's gonna work. Just to see. Yep, getting in there too is a little bit pain in the butt, but let's see. Now you have to grab. Oh, it's still. Wow. Go ahead and take this prop guards off just to show you guys how to do it. Again, you just push out this way. And there you go. So you get it off. So, and that's about it. So it's basically kind of like a ball. But so you can see this Tello prop guards are just so stiff. You know, you have to put like a force to it. But this guy here is like, it's like comparing it to a flat tire and, you know, all the way pumped, I guess. And that's about it. So again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and